Yeah, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, 3:15, something like that. Look how pretty the moon is. This camera does not give it justice at all, what I can see. At all. There we go. Look how pretty that is. Is it crazy?